I hereby reclaim this land for nature.
We are part of nature. We are nature. We are natural beings. I spent a few minutes with inspiring students, and already they are learning about this ecosystem, but more importantly, how they can lift one another and help protect the future, the ecology, the environment, the nature of Miami. Each of these projects allow you to know more than the problem with mangroves being destroyed or not allowed to grow across our bay, but giving you a method of bringing green shorelines, not just to protect the bay, but to protect us from storm surges. It doesn't just tell you about the 6th mass extinction, but it gives you tools to help the Florida bonneted bat or the other 360 endangered animals on that wall, or planting wildflowers in your garden to protect pollinators. It is a platform for curiosity, but also for participatory action. It's not just about freaking out because it's hotter and hotter and hotter, but it's allowing a student to use a green flag to plant a native tree in their front yard, and through that flag, inspire every other neighbor to also grow our native tree canopy to keep that street cooler. It is about understanding how science and community come together to build a better world. And I could not be prouder to do this here at José Martí, almost in tandem across Miami-Dade County Public Schools. And I couldn't be prouder to do that in partnership with United Teachers of Dade, to have them as a co-sponsor of this Eco-Art Courtyard, to be able to inspire their team in a committee they're creating to help us advance these ideas across Miami-Dade County schools.
I hereby reclaim this land for nature.